Hello, today we are going to add and subtract angle measures. So we have this drawing with some angles here, and if you see, we have a line here, a line here, we have a right angle here. So a few things that you know is, a right angle is 90 degrees. You know a straight angle, so we have a vertex here, so a straight angle is 180. So this would be 180 and this would be 180. So let me write these things down that we know right off. So we know angle, and that's the angle symbol, Y, U, V, is 180 degrees. And we know that angle T, U, W is 180 degrees because they're straight angles. We know that angle X, U, W is 90 degrees. That's this angle right here. So that means that angle X, U, T must be 90 degrees as well. Now let's say that angle VUW is 20 degrees. That's this angle right here. Now we know this angle TUW, this whole angle is 180 degrees because of this straight angle. If this is 20 degrees, then we could calculate angle TUV, this angle right here, angle TUV, simply by subtracting 20 degrees from 180. So angle TUV would equal 160 degrees. Now I'm going to show you something else here too. Since this is a straight angle, and this is a straight angle or line, and they intersect, if this is 20 degrees, V, U, W, that means T, U, Y is also going to be 20 degrees. Now, if T, U, Y is 20 degrees, and we know that TUX is 90 degrees, we could calculate this angle, angle YUX, by subtracting 20 degrees from 90. So we could say 90 minus 20. And you know that equals 70. So this would equal 70 degrees. I'm going to write these in. So this is 70 degrees. We know this is 90 degrees. And we know this is 160. So now we just calculated all the angles in this drawing here. So let's take a look at this example. The question down here is, what is the measure of angle DEF? Now if we take a look here, DEF is right here. We know that DEG is a straight angle. And a straight angle equals 180 degrees. So we know that angle DEG equals 180 degrees. Now we know here that FEG equals 150 degrees. So to find this angle, we simply have to subtract 150 from 180 to find this. So 180 minus 150 is 30, because 150 plus 30 is 180. So the measure of angle DEF is 30 degrees. Now it's your turn to try some. Good luck.